In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit AI images in Nano Banana. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need and the mindset for writing prompts that get the look you want, so you can confidently turn any photo into a polished AI-enhanced image. Start by opening Google Gemini, or whichever platform you use to access Nano Banana. On the main screen, look for the image features and choose either Create Image or Edit Image. Both options take you into the same creative workspace. Create Image is often where editing tools live, even when you're modifying an existing photo. Once you're in the workspace, open the Tools panel. This reveals the controls you'll rely on for transforming your image. From there, select Create Image. Don't worry if the label sounds like you're starting from scratch. This is still the right place to apply edits to a photo you already have. Next, look for the plus icon. This is your entry point to bring in your file. Click it and then choose Upload Files. Pick the image you want to edit from your device. Higher resolution files generally yield cleaner results, and common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If your platform shows a quick preview, confirm the image looks correct before continuing. With the image loaded, click into the prompt area. This is where you tell Nano Banana exactly what to change. Think of the prompt as creative direction for a skilled editor. Specify the subject, the change you want, and any style or mood. Being concrete saves time and reduces back and forth. Type your prompt with clear descriptive guidance. For example, you might say change the background to a futuristic city with neon lights, make the photo look like anime style, turn it into a professional studio portrait, add cinematic lighting and blur the background, or change the outfit to a black hoodie. The more specific you are about colors, lighting, camera angle, mood, and level of realism, the better the result. If there are elements to preserve, mention them, like keep the subject centered or retain the original color of the jacket. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. The system will process your request and generate an edited version based on the instructions you provided. Give it a moment to complete. Generation time can vary depending on the complexity of your prompt and your file size. Once it appears, review how closely it matches your request and note which parts of your description had the strongest impact. That awareness will make your next prompt even sharper. And that's it. You've edited an image in Nano Banana from start to finish.